Tell me about a difficult project you worked on. This question comes up in almost every technical interview, and most developers answer it wrong. They either talk too much about the problem or they forget to explain what they actually did. I'm Jacques. I've been on both sides of the interview table, as a candidate and as the person hiring developers. And I can tell you, this question is where the good candidates stand out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure your answer, and I'll give you the key phrases that make you sound professional and confident. Oh, and stick around until the end. I've put together a free PDF with all the phrases from today's lesson. Just drop your email and I'll send it straight to your inbox. Let's get into it. Let's set the scene. You're a front-end developer. You've got about 2 years of experience. You're interviewing for a new role. Maybe at a startup, maybe at a bigger company. The interviewer looks at you and says, "Can you tell me about a difficult project you worked on? What made it challenging?" Now, what do they actually want to know? They're not just asking about the project. They want to see how you think, how you handle problems, and whether you can explain it clearly. So, let me show you a model answer that hits all these points. One project that comes to mind was when I was working on a customer dashboard for a fintech client. The main challenge was the tight deadline. We had about 3 weeks to deliver and the requirements kept changing. My approach was to break the work into smaller pieces and prioritize the core features first. I also set up daily check-ins with the product manager so we could catch the changes early. In the end, we delivered on time. It wasn't perfect, but the client was happy with the core functionality, and I learned a lot about managing expectations when things are uncertain. Notice the structure. I didn't just describe the problem, I explained what I did and I finished with the result. Let's break this down. There are 4 phrases I want to take away from this answer. 4 phrases that will make your answer clear and professional. One project that comes to mind is, this is a natural way to start your answer. It tells the interviewer you're thinking about a real example, not making something up. You could also say, a good example would be, same idea. Don't just jump straight into the story. The phrase gives you a moment to collect your thoughts. The main challenge was. This phrase helps you focus on one clear problem. Interviewers don't want to hear 10 different issues. They want to hear one challenge and how you dealt with it. Pick one challenge, the biggest one, then move on to what you did about it. My approach was too. This is where you show your problem-solving skills. This is the most important part of your answer. The interviewer wants to hear what you did, not what the team did, not what happened, what you decided to do. Notice, these are all steps you took, things you chose to do. That's what makes a strong answer. In the end, this phrase signals you're wrapping up. You're about to say the result. And here's something important. You don't need a perfect ending. The interviewer knows not every project goes perfectly. What matters is what you learned something. Finish with what you learned. It shows that you reflect on your work. Interviewers love that. One mistake I see a lot, spending too much time on the problem and not enough on your solution. If you talk for 2 minutes about how hard the project was and 10 seconds about what you did, that's not a good outcome. Keep it balanced. Problem, action, result. That's the formula. Alright, let's practice these phrases together. Repeat after me. One project that comes to mind is: the main challenge was. My approach was to. In the end. Good. Now here's a challenge for you. Think of one difficult project from your own experience. In the comments, write one sentence starting with "the main challenge was" and "my solution was." I'll read them and give feedback. That's the structure. That's the phrases. Now you just need to practice with your own story. Remember, problem, action, result. Keep it focused, keep it honest. As promised, I've put together a free PDF with all 4 phrases from today. Click the link in the description, drop your email, and I'll send it right over. You'll also get notified with new resources coming out. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. I post new videos every week on English for Tech Professionals. Next week, we're covering pronunciation. Specifically, the IT words that most non-native speakers get wrong. SQL, cache, agile. You might be surprised. See you in the next one.